Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here, and today I am filming a little haul video for everything I got in the Sephora semi-annual haul, or semi-annual sale. And I did pick up a couple of things that I had been eyeballing. I did miss out on a couple of things selling out before I remembered, oh yeah, I should probably buy the stuff I wanted to get. And I got a couple of things that I like to use regularly, so let's go ahead and get cracking on what I got. So let's go ahead and start with the samples. By some miracle, they sent me the samples I actually requested, which is awesome. So I have the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer sample, which is actually the primer I'm in the middle of using right now anyway. And then a sample of the Youth to the People Superfood Cleanser, which is a cleanser I've used before and I think is fantastic. So really glad that I got samples I'll actually use. Maybe some people don't use their samples. I actually use my samples, so when I pick out the ones I want, I actually want them. So I always get so mad when they send me a different sample. But anyway, let's go over the things I got with my point perks as well. These, I believe, were each 100 point items. So I got the Clean Reserve perfume in Lush Fleur, which is just a little perfume roller ball. I'm gonna take it out and show you guys. It's just a little teeny tiny one, really cute. This would probably be good for travel. Sorry, my nails are chipping. I've been baking and stuff because it's almost Thanksgiving when I'm filming. This will be out sometime after Thanksgiving, maybe even in December, I'm not sure. But yeah, so I also got the Olaplex No. 3 Hair Perfector. I've heard a lot of people talk about Olaplex. I've never tried anything from them, so I'm excited to use that. I've never used that product or anything from Olaplex, so should be interesting. And then I also got from Diva Curl the Scalp Purify, I guess is what it's called, Scalp and Hair Reset. I don't really understand what this is, but it sounded interesting, so I'm gonna go ahead and give that a try. Moving on to items that I purchased, I guess we could talk about things that are repurchases for me because I really enjoy these products. I picked up another Paula's Choice 2% BHA liquid exfoliant, salicylic acid, because this is something that I know I'm going to need another one of in the next couple of months probably. So I just went ahead and bought one because I love Paula's Choice. They don't carry all of Paula's Choice's products because I looked for a couple of things and that was the only one that I found that I actually wanted. I couldn't find the other things on the website, so I'll just have to wait until there's a Paula's Choice sale. I really didn't need to buy this from Sephora for their sale because Paula's Choice is constantly running sales. So I just got it because I was making the order. And then another item that is a repurchase for me, I had a sample size of this and I'm still working my way through it because it actually does last a long time. But I needed to get the full size because it's my favorite, and this is the Slime Makeup Melting Butter Cleanser from Drunk Elephant. I do have, I think, one or two other sample size cleansers, like butter melting, makeup melting cleansers that I need to go through before I open up this big one, but I figured I'd get it when it's on sale because this is the one that I want to use all the time. I really, really like this one. So let me go ahead and open it up and show you guys. Drunk Elephant packaging is always really cool. And this one, was there like a little sample in here? Bamboo Booster Exfoliant Physique. I guess this must be like a, I have no idea what this is actually. Let's take a look. Oh, it's like a little exfoliating powder you could mix in if you wanted. Interesting. I don't think I'd use that with this butter cleanser, but interesting little addition they included in there. And then I really wanted to show you this because it's got the cool little spatula, so you can get your product out without getting, and put it back on without having to dip your fingers in the tub and spread your germs around in it, which I think is quite nice. So I'm very excited to have a full size of this because I really, really enjoy this product. And then I got one lip product, which I didn't need, but I bought it anyway. This is from Joie. Joie? I can't pronounce the brand, but I like it. It's their Essential Hydrating Lip Oil. And I don't think there was a color assigned to this. Maybe just natural shine. And it's just their lip oil. I thought this might be nice to keep in my purse just to have a little pizzazz on the go. Why do I drop everything? So yeah, I thought this might be nice to keep in my purse just to add a little something extra to my lips beyond chapstick on the go. And I did try it last night and I quite liked it. So there's that. And then the rest of the products are all from the same brand, and it was something that I've heard a few people talking about and was just interested in trying. So it's all from Necessaire, and I got the deodorant. I actually haven't heard people talk about this, but I just always like to try deodorants because I've yet to find the holy grail, for me personally, of natural deodorants, and I have tried a few where I liked them, but I still felt they could be better. So I'm still on the hunt. I always get the deodorant. Let's actually open this up and take a look at it. So here's what it looks like, just like this green, sagey gray green container. Oh, this is interesting. It's got holes at the top, and I guess you must push the product up through the holes. Okay, well, I don't want to do that right now because I don't want to like make a mess, but very interesting. Can't wait to give this one a try. The one I'm using right now, it's like kind of gray in color, like almost like a gray clay, and like it's kind of effective, but also it's sort of gross and it builds up, and you really have to scrub your pits in the shower, so it's not my favorite. I'm probably gonna finish it because it does a decent job of making me not stink, but I don't love it, so we'll talk about that one whenever I get to that in my empties. Back to what I purchased, also from Necessaire, I got the body serum. So here's what that looks like. Heard interesting things about this. I'm really excited to try that. I love that it's fragrance free. Then I also got the body lotion. So here is that. I will say, as I start pulling these out of the containers, I think they use too much packaging in my opinion. I don't think every one of the products needs to be basically encapsulated in a box inside of the box. I think that's a little bit wasteful, but just an opinion. And then the last product I got from Necessaire was the hand cream. Something I also didn't need. I really didn't need any of this. I've got plenty of body lotion and stuff and hand creams, but I figured we're going into winter and I've actually heard quite good things about this, so I probably am going to need a little extra love. So if this one is as good as everyone says it is, then I'm going to have it in my nightstand and be using it every day. So let's go ahead and open this one up too and see what this one looks like. See what I mean? Like, it just comes in all of this packaging already in a box. It seems unnecessary, but anyway. Unnecessaire, if you will. Yeah, here is the hand cream, and this is kind of like one of those metal, like aluminum type containers, whereas this is definitely plastic, and this is plastic as well. So yeah, very excited to try that. Sorry if you can hear Austin cheering. He's watching soccer downstairs. I think his team is playing right now. So that is everything that I got in the Sephora semi-annual sale. I did want to get some Drunk Elephant body products that I had been eyeballing, but those sold out before I could get to them. But I'm very happy with everything I got here. I'm even happy with my samples and my point perks. So not a bad haul at all. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you shopped at the Sephora sale, what did you get? And I would also like to know what kind of items you like to stock up on the regular. Like for me, this is an item I'm going to constantly use all the time regardless. What are some of your favorite go-to all the time products? So you can give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and hit the subscribe button if you'd like to stick around for a while, and otherwise I'll talk to you all later. Bye!